strange, useless packaging boxes from home can still be worth 25 cents a kilogram at the recycling station. It turns out they only need professional equipment to reprocess them, easily turning waste into treasure. Today, let's visit the Vishong Enterprise in Lahr and see how Master Ba turns the rotten into the miraculous. As the largest enterprise in the area, you can see the workshop owner's extraordinary strength from this temporary raw material storage point covering more than 2 acres. He relies on high purchase prices ... with a significant cost advantage over its competitors. The factory's entire recycling process went very smoothly. The first step in recycling the waste cardboard purchased at high prices was first. The waste cardboard was placed in a specialized shredder. During the shredding process, a specific ratio of softened water was added to reduce the load on the shredder and prevent settling. Once the raw materials were completely refined into standard pulp, they were transported through a pre-existing raw material pipeline at the shredder outlet. Upgrading the feed inlet requires no manual intervention. Ink remover is immediately added to the mixing tank. Because the purchased cardboard is made from discarded packaging boxes and ink left over from printing plants creating various designs. To ensure the recycled cardboard's color is sufficiently pure, the remaining ink and other contaminants need to be removed. Here, the demolded pulp undergoes repeated processing using glass straws to ensure its quality. In the blink of an eye, the craftsmen have already. After the pulp is cleaned and its color adjusted, excess water is quickly drained through a special rubber conveyor bag to form a complete paper sheet. Simultaneously, multiple spraying processes are used during production to give the paperboard good flexibility. Under continuous low-temperature drying, the initially dried paperboard is further shaped and processed by multiple rotating rollers. Paper only by ensuring that the dimensions of the pre-processed paper are perfectly uniform can the final produced paper rolls be produced without any errors. Once the finished product on the final roller reaches its limit, it cannot be shipped directly because today's production is for an order from a local pizza workshop. According to the customer's needs, the current paper width is too large and does not meet the customer's packaging requirements. Therefore, the paper rolls must be mounted on a special cutting machine and cut according to the customer's specifications. Although today's work seems simple for Lahr Ba, it's not. More important is whether the master craftsman can standardize all the processed cardboard dimensions to ensure the finished product error is less than 0.01 millimeters. With several scissors and electric rollers working continuously, the entire cutting process is completed in just 3 stages and 21 minutes. Then remove them from the rollers and secure them with homemade tools to prevent them from falling off during transport. After clearly labeling the product specifications and model number, it can be delivered to the customer for use.